Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zik Analytics for Shopify. Open Zik Analytics and sign in, then connect your Shopify store from the Integrations tab. Enable Product Import and Sync listings to pull inventory and sales data. Adjust Marketplace and category filters to focus research. Save your settings and run a first search to confirm data flows correctly before continuing with product analysis. Open the Research tab and enter a clear keyword for your niche, then review sell-through and average price columns. Click individual listings to see sales history, competition level, and pricing trends. Use the built-in profit calculator to include fees and shipping costs so margins are realistic. Bookmark promising products for deeper analysis and export selected lists to CSV for upload to Shopify or further review later. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more tutorials. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's leak-proof and fits cup holders, perfect for long work sessions while researching products. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use Zik Analytics keyword insights to craft optimized Shopify titles and descriptions that match buyer searches. Compare average market price to your cost and set a competitive price that meets your margin goals. Refresh images and tags based on high-performing listings you discovered, then republish updated listings to Shopify. Monitor performance over several days and tweak keywords or price if impressions or sales don't improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.